You are 18, maybe 19, or even 25. You are dreaming of a life of freedom, financial independence, and maybe even a bit of luxury. But here's the reality, most of your peers are wasting time thinking there are plenty to spare. The harsh truth, time is your greatest ally, but only if you act fast. What if I told you the decisions you make in your teens will determine whether you live comfortably or spend the next 40 years stuck in 9 to 5 grind? In this video, I am going to show you how to build wealth in your teens by mastering 5 critical steps. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that will make all the difference in your financial journey. Now, let's dive in. Point number 1. Start with a wealth mindset. Before you ever make a dollar, you need to change how to think about money. Here's the tough question. Do you believe that being rich is only for the lucky? If you do, you are already losing. Building wealth is not just about saving or investing. It starts in your head. Your thoughts about money will shape your decisions. You need to adopt a growth mindset. Instead of asking how can I save more, ask how can I make more. Successful people don't shrink their dreams, they stretch their limits. I know what you are thinking, great, another mindset talk. But trust me, you can't skip this part unless you want to sabotage yourself. Don't be that person. Now, once you have got your head in the right place, let's move on to the practical side. Point number 2. Learn a high income skill. Want to know the fastest way to build wealth as a teen? Learn a high income skill. And no flipping burgers at the local fast food joint doesn't count. Talking about skills that will pay you $50, $100 or even $200, and think of skills like coding, graphic design, video editing, or even copywriting. The best part, you can learn these skills for free or cheap online through platforms like YouTube, Skillshare, or any other platform. The more valuable your skill, the more you can charge. And here is the exciting part, the earlier you start, the more you can compound your income potential. Imagine making $1 lakh before you even hit 20. Sounds crazy, right? But it's not. Point number 3, the power of compound interest. Here is where things get really exciting and a little scary. Most people don't realize that compound interest is the secret sauce to becoming a millionaire. But the longer you wait to start investing, the less powerful it becomes. Let me paint a picture. If you invest just $200 a month starting at age 18, by the time you're 60, you could have over $1 million, assuming an 8% annual return. But here is the kicker. If you wait until you are 28 to start, you would only have half of that. Only half. That is the cost of waiting. Every year you delay, you are losing tens of thousands in potential wealth. Scary, right? So unless you are planning on inventing a time machine, now the time to act. But compound interest is only one piece of the puzzle. Let's talk about controlling your expenses, because yes, you still have to live within your means. Point number 4. Live below your means. I know it's not the most glamorous advice, but trust me, it's necessary. You have probably heard the stories of athletes and celebrities making millions and then going broke. It's not because they didn't earn enough, it's because they spent too much. Even when you are earning more, if you don't keep your expenses in check, you will be running on a treadmill that never stops. Avoid the trap of upgrading your lifestyle too quickly. The goal is to build assets, not liabilities. And if you are wondering how you can still enjoy your life without blowing your budget, don't worry. I have got a strategy coming up that lets you live well and build wealth. Point number 5. Start investing early. Okay, so you've got the mindset, you are learning a skill, you are controlling your expenses, but if you are not investing, you are missing the boat. Investing is where your money starts working for you. The earlier you invest, the longer your money has to grow. I am not talking about gambling on risky stocks or crypto. Focus on long-term, stable investments like index funds. These are low risk and have consistently delivered solid returns over time. Imagine waking up one day and realizing that your money is making more money than you do. That's the goal, and it's achievable, even starting small. So there you have it, the blueprint to building wealth in your teens. It starts with your mindset, moves into mastering a high income skill, leveraging compound interest, living below your means, and investing smartly. This is not a get rich quick scheme, it is the foundation for long lasting financial freedom. But remember that bonus tip I mentioned at the start. Here is the hint. The right credit card can help you maximize your wealth building strategy by earning cashback, travel points, and boosting your credit score. If you want to know more about the best credit card for beginners in 2024, wait for my next video. And thanks for watching. Remember, it's never too early to start building your wealth. You have the power to shape your future. So don't wait.